Hey guys, Ask MikeGyver back. We are week 2. We are moving along quick. Come on inside and see what we got going on.
One of the major problems with starting the remodel was that asbestos was everywhere in our church. It was a 70-year-old church and it was everywhere.
Here we are week 2 at the church. My crews are not in there because we brought in the specialty guys, the abatement company. Can't even go inside right now because everything is bagged off, plastic off, and everybody's walking around in spacesuits. They are here to eradicate all of the asbestos that are found to make this church safe again. Just to give you a mental thought, remember Back to the Future when Michael J. Fox jumped out of the DeLorean and he was wearing that great big yellow suit after he smashed into that barn? That's what these guys look like. Let me tell you the process of what they have to do to build a containment within the church while they're doing the work. Every single room is bagged off, everything is plastic off, everything is sealed. They've got air monitoring equipment throughout the church to make sure that it's safe levels for breathing, along with these guys having spacesuits on and helmets to make sure that what they're doing is not only safe for them, but safe when they're finished. They've got a shower system that they walk through. It's really cool. When they're in a dirty area, walking into a clean area, they actually have to go through multiple rooms to decontaminate themselves. That's how serious this process is. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Next episode short to come. If you've got any residential commercial renovation projects, hit us up. Website, phone number below.